Now let us see the calculation of degree of association. Case is there, case 2, when association is when association is what, student? When association is less than 100%, less than 100%, association is less than 100%. Okay, so if association is less than 100% is taking place, student, then how you will be able to calculate the degree of association and want of factor? Okay, so student, when let us take the a simple example. Let us take a equation of association. Equation of association. So if you are taking a equation of association, student, suppose we are taking that is n mole of A. When it is combining, it is giving the A mole, an, okay, 1 mole. So what will initially, if you talk about initial concentration, so you have taken 1 mole, so it is the 0. Initial means t equal to 0, reaction not started. And at equilibrium, if you are taking a student, at equilibrium, so what will be the condition? So here is the this will be the suppose that is alpha is associated. Okay, so here is n is the downside, so it will come that is alpha by n, and here will be that is 1 minus alpha. Okay, so student, what you will be able to conclude from here, that is number of ions at equilibrium. At equilibrium you check, that is how many ions are there, student. So that is, it will be that is 1 minus alpha plus alpha by n. Okay, so if you try to summarize this in the better way, rearranging this one, rephrasing, so what will be there, student? This will come alpha by n. Okay, and alpha by n, you can write here minus alpha plus 1. Okay, or you can say, student, want of factor, how to calculate want of factor. So if you are calculating want of factor, student, that is I. So that is after association, okay, after association, and that is divided by before association. This is the before association. So student, after association, when you talk about after association, so how many particle will be there? This is the after association. So after association is there alpha by 1 minus alpha plus 1 by before association 1 mole V2 1. Okay, so student, what will be there? This is the value of I, or you can also write I equal to you can write this formula, I equal to alpha by n minus alpha plus 1. This you can write. Okay, from there we can calculate the alpha I. And how to calculate the alpha from this formula, student? If you want to calculate alpha from this formula, so degree of association, degree of association. So how to calculate degree of association, student? You see, so this will be the I minus 1 equal to alpha by n minus alpha, right? So you, what you will be there, I minus 1, student, equal to alpha, you take common, student, in this one. So 1 by n minus 1, and here will be outside, this will be the alpha, right? So alpha equal to what? I minus 1 divided by 1 upon n minus 1. Okay, so this will be the alpha. This is the value of alpha. So here in this formula, alpha is what, student? Degree of association. Alpha is degree of association. Okay, and I equal to what is there? Want of factor. Okay, and what other things are there, student? That is n, number of ions in solution. Okay, So now let us have some of the problem, student. For the better understanding, we need to solve some of the problems so that the concept will be crystal clear. So one question I am writing here, student. Question is, a substance form dimer. Okay, question is there. A substance form dimer. A substance form dimer. No, dimer means 1 by 2. Dimer in a solution. Dimer in solution. Then what is happening, student? To the extent, how much extent is there, student? Extent of 75%. Okay, up to this much it is association. Calculate the want of factor. Calculate the want of factor. Calculate the want of factor, right, student? So let us try to solve it out, student. Let us do the solution, right? How you will be able to do the solution for this question, student? Okay, so first of all, let us write down what information has been given. So if we talk about the alpha is given, student, that is 75%. 75% equal to, that is 0.75. Okay, this is the alpha. I value, if you for dimer, for dimer, if they are saying that is dimer is being formed, so I value 1 by 2. Okay, next one is there. So from the formula, if you are going from the formula, okay, so if you are going I equal to, what will be there, student? 1 plus, okay, alpha 1 minus 1 by n minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. Now put out the value, student. 1 plus alpha value, you already know, 0.75, and 1 by n value is how much there, student? Okay, the n value is, it is that 1 by 2. Okay, means you can write here, that is 1 by 2. If it is coming 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so how much it will come, student, if you are solving it out? So it will come this value, 1 plus 0.75. Okay, this is the 2, student, in bracket 0.5 minus 1. Okay, so how much coming, student? 1 plus 0.75. Okay, and in the if you subtract this out, multiply by minus 0.5, this is coming. Again if you solve it out, student, so it is coming. Okay, how much is coming? 1. Okay, and this will multiply, so minus sign, it will come 0.375. so how much is coming, student? It is coming 0.625. Okay, so this is the degree of association. Okay, degree of association. Therefore, degree of association, degree of association, degree of association, degree of association is 0.625. Okay, this is the our correct answer, required answer. Thank you so much for watching, friends.